American-born Igbos are eager to learn the Igbo language. There's a growing community of American-born Igbos, especially among the second and third generation immigrants, who are increasingly interested in reconnecting with their roots, especially through learning the Igbo language. We at LIBC run Igbo language lessons via Zoom for just £3 an hour. Our classes are designed for people of the Igbo diaspora across the world. We use a method we call TPCP: tuition, participation, correction, and practice. Now let's explain in details. For the first T, which is tuition, LIBC patiently but thoroughly teaches the basics and the fundamental rules and building blocks of the Igbo language. For the P, participation, we use the learner participation to get the learners comfortable pronouncing the Igbo words and recognizing the different tones used within the Igbo language tonal system. The third one, C, for correction. Inevitably, there are going to be lots of errors in learning to pronounce Igbo words and formulate the Igbo sentences, but our LIBC tutors will patiently and gently correct errors in a very welcoming and friendly learning environment. Another one is practice. In our Igbo language sections, you get to immerse yourself in the Igbo language and practice. Practice more with helpful guidance of a native language Igbo tutor. Don't forget, we only charge £3 an hour. You can book lessons via our website www.learnigbo-byconversation.com.